Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn about how to insert link images and do some text formattings like changing the font size, color, its styles, and we will also learn how to change the background color using images as well as color. So let's start the video. So first you have to do is just create a folder and download two images from the Google and then copy it in your folder and then open the environment which you are using. As I am using VS Code environment, I open the VS Code environment and open my folder. You can see that the images which I have downloaded you can see in the folder. And in last lecture I taught you about the basic structure of the HTML. So you can see I have already written the basic structure of HTML here. So I will use this basic structure and upgrade my code by inserting images and do text formatting. So let's start the video. So first I will use a BR tag here. So basically BR tag is used to break the statement. Like I have to insert my image and I don't want my image to be displayed beside the text what I have written. So BR tag will help me to just display my image below the text which I have written. So now to insert the image, I will use a tag image src. So src means it will help you to specify the location or path of the image. But you can see here that I have already opened the folder and downloaded my images on that folder. So I just need to specify the name of the image and no need to specify the path. So the image which I have to display is human.jpg. So let's see if the image has been displayed or not. So use control S, go for run, start debugging. So you can see here that the image has been displayed, but you can see it's too large. So I have to resize the image. So let's see how I will do it. So just go in the image src tag and set the height equal to 300 and width equal to 500. So as I have mentioned height and width of the image, so let's see if the image get resized or not. So just go to the web page and refresh the page. So you can see that the image has been resized. Now you can see here the text. This is a website. So I have to just do some text formatting on this. Like I will align as it is on it is left aligned here. So I will do it on the center. I will align the text in the center and I will just do some style changes. Like I will increase the font size, I will do it bold, italic, or I will also change the style of the statement. So let's see how I will do. So first, beside the body tag, first I will open a tag known as paragraph, and inside the paragraph I will mention a keyword align equal to, as I have to align the text at center, so I will write here center and close the tag. Now let's see if the text has been aligned to center or not. So you can see that the text has been aligned to center. Now I will do some changes with the font size and I will give color to a font size. So let's see I can how I will do. So now beside the paragraph tag I will start a new tag named as font and I will mention a size here as 30 and I will give a color to a font. Suppose I will give it red. Suppose I have to give some styling to my font. So I will use a keyword face equal to, I will give my font style as curls empty. So, and now you close the font tag. Let's see the changes. Just go to web page and refresh it. So you can see that the font size, its style has been changed and the color also got changed. Now see, now suppose I have to do this font bold, italic, and I have to underline this text. So I will use simply a B keyword for doing the statement bold, and I will use U keyword to underline the text. And to do my text italic, I will use a simple keyword I. Now let's see if the changes has been seen in our web page or not. Refresh the page. So you can see here that our text has become bold, italic, and it is underlined too. So next I will do is, as you can see here that the background color is currently white. There is no background. So suppose, so you can change background in two ways, by putting colors on the background or by inserting the image on the background. First I will show you how to put colors on the background. So just go to body tag, write here bg color equal to, and mention the color. Suppose I am giving here color as yellow. Let's see if you can see the background color is yellow here. Just refresh the page and you can see that my background color has changed to yellow. Now suppose I have to put my background as an image. So instead of using BG color, I will use background equal to name of the image. So I will put download .jpg. So this image I have already downloaded on my folder. So I don't need to specify the path here using src. So let's see if we can see the image. Just go and use refresh the page and you can see that the background color is the new image. So background has changed to image. Now what we will do is we will see how we can insert a link in the web page. So just use a href. Href is used to display the link in the web page. So you can actually, using href, you can actually display any link like Google link, Chrome link, or even the images link which you have in your folder. So I will insert a link of these images in the web page. So just I will go to my folder. I will copy any of the link using properties, its location, and I will paste it on VS Code. And I will close the tag A which I have started. But I have to give the name for the link. So I am giving it as images. So let's see now if we can see the images link there. So you can see here images link has been displayed. So click here if it is, you can see after clicking the link I have got these options. So I have to view any of the image. So I am viewing it. You can see we can view the images too. So that's it for today. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.